What's going on, crew? In this video I am going to be putting in my manual exhaust cutouts. These are the 3-inch Ronatelli manual cutouts. I got these off of American Muscle, I believe. So I've already measured out where I'm going to cut. So what I'm going to do is, since these clamps are removable, I'm just going to take these pieces off and cut them out outside of the car. Hopefully that makes my life a little easier. And then hopefully everything fits back in place. The goal is to try to reuse the clamps that I already have here. That way I don't have to go out and buy new ones or have to try messing around with welding anything together. Because, yeah, last time it didn't go great, but everything seems to be holding up so far. But yeah, that's just about all I got for you at the moment. Alright, well, it looks like I got it all set up here. My goal is to cut along this line here. That should give me enough room to insert it into a new pipe. Alright, well, hopefully I didn't cut myself. Alright, well, first cut's done. Let's do a test fit, see if I cut myself too short. Oh no, that is almost perfect. Heck yeah. First try, that should be good there. Now I just need to cut the piece that's on the muffler. Alright, well, that should be good to go. So, I think first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to get the clamps kind of set in place where they need to be, and then mock it up. We'll see how it goes. Okay, cool. That looks better. That gap's a lot smaller. That one should be all good to go. Sweet. Yeah, the exhaust tip seems to be sitting in a decent spot now. So I'm just going to button this up and move on to the next side. Alright, first things first, I'm going to tighten up the hanger. Maybe help that I move it right away. I'll leave that kind of loose at the moment. There we go. Alright, so I just got all wrapped up getting the exhaust mounted back up and getting my cutouts on. So I do need to get another clamp or two at some point, but everything is solid for the moment, and I'll take it for a drive, and then later I'll do some exhaust or do some sound clips with the caps off. Alright everybody, well that's the end of the video. If there's anything in there that you enjoyed, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. It'll help me be able to grow the channel and provide more content in the future. And I hope to see you guys around in the next one. Bye-bye.